Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in the video I'll be testing this LE18 Lasting Glow Foundation, and this is launched around 6 to 7 months, I don't remember, but I was a little skeptical about testing foundations which are very inexpensive, but I thought let's give it a try, and that's why I bought this foundation. It is just for ₹100 और ये आपको कोई भी लोकल मार्केट में मिल जाएगा. एंड आई बॉट फ्रॉम अ लोकल मार्केट. I bought two shades, 27 ml of product. It will last for 2 years. So let's test this foundation. So taking this on the back of my hand. Okay, so first I have taken this much. I will give you the swatch. This is the hand swatch. So I am just going to blend with the help of fingers on this side of my face. Okay, so this is very, as you can see, it's very lightweight. Okay, ये thick नहीं है, as you can see. क्रीम की तरह मैंने इसको एक फेस क्रीम की तरह है blended it. So I don't see much difference. Yeah, slight difference under my eyes. Before going ahead, I will give you the swatch of this coral shade. So this is the shade, matches my under eyes. I'm not using a beauty blender because I need coverage. और वैसे भी this is already so light coverage. Brush gives you more. It doesn't absorb that much of product. That's why I'm using a brush. Can you see the difference? Like this side and this side. So I'm building up this foundation. So I want to build this foundation. So अब थोड़ा लग रहा है. See, my eye bags, as you can see, look at the eye bag here and look at the eye bag here. Look at the difference. So yeah, I can see a difference when I applied more another layer of foundation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply one more layer on this side. So I have this brush marks on the face. So what I will do is take a dry beauty blender. आपके पास कोई भी dry beauty blender हो, उसे just tap like this. Okay, so that's it. थोड़ा सा मैंने tap कर दिया है. So previously I have tested this foundations in which on one side of my face I applied no loose powder compact, and on one side applied some compact. Loose powder नहीं apply किया था, मैंने compact apply किया था and tested for 5 hours. This guy will give a short review. So this side of my face I have applied compact, and I have applied nothing on this side of my face. So I'll check it how does it works. मैं क्या करूँगी, थोड़ा सा टच अप करूँगी with the help of a loose powder. So इसलिए I am just touching up. So yeah, I had sweat. I was not under AC. I was under a fan. और ये ज़्यादा greasy and केकी भी नहीं बना इसने मेरे चेहरे को. So I have applied makeup, and this is how it sits on my face. So I haven't applied a concealer because I wanted to test the foundation itself. How does it work? So this foundation, what are the claims? So this foundation claims that it is oil free, which is very much correct because this gives a semi-matte kind of finish, not a matte finish, but much of a semi-matte kind of finish. Next, they say that it has vitamin E, and the third says that it is water resistant. Now, I don't see any water resistance because when I applied foundation after lunch, when I अपने face को when I wiped it, it actually the foundation came off, so it's not water resistant. Yeah, it glow foundation, so you won't see much glow if you set your foundation without any powder to glow. It gives you a glow, but it won't last long, right? I have tested this foundation. I have tested this foundation with a BB cream, and yeah. So BB cream was much more matte, whereas it requires much foundation to give you a full coverage or even medium coverage to your skin if you have spots or something to hide. So I have this BB cream from Pond's White Beauty, which is I'm going to apply. So ये मैंने Pond's की BB cream apply की है, and I'm just going to spread it with the hands of my fingers. ज़्यादा तो नहीं है. Okay, I will spread with the help of my hands. So clearly coverage तो इसका ही है ना. इसमें तो पंप भी नहीं बोल सकते, इसमें पंप भी नहीं है. Like if it absorbs a lot of product. So as you can see, blending with the hands, you cannot blend with hands. It's impossible to. It's so messy blending this product with the help of hands. कितना messy लग रहा है. अब जाके coverage match हो रहा है. This was very long lasting. Overall review is that this foundation is worth the money. It is almost how much ml? 27 ml, and most of your foundation gets 30 ml of product, which is around 500. The link will be in the description box if you want to buy online. So I even tested this foundation for 5 hours and I was very much impressed because it stayed for 5 hours. And talking about side effects, does this foundation has any side effects? So no, I didn't find any side effects like small bumps on the face or any pigmentation or acne. This foundation is mask friendly. You saw a tiny bit of foundation on the mask, rest it is, but make sure to at least wear a compact. If you don't have a loose powder, only then it will set your foundation in. Yeah, but I wear spectacles, that's why the foundation on here and here got a little bit wiped off. Rest my face was okay, but you can touch it up. So I tested with a BB cream as well. If you think that you don't want to buy a BB cream, instead you can also go with this foundation as well.